The F-14 Tomcat, a fighter jet that once dominated the skies, has reached the end of its service life in Iran. In a groundbreaking move, Tehran is replacing this Cold War relic with Russia's state-of-the-art Su-35 fighters. The F-14 Tomcat holds a special place in aviation history. Built by Grumman for the U.S. Navy in the 1970s, it was a marvel of engineering, combining speed, agility, and cutting-edge radar technology. Iran acquired 79 F-14s before the 1979 revolution, making it the only foreign operator of this legendary jet. But decades of sanctions and limited access to spare parts have taken their toll. Iran's Air Force has struggled to keep its aging fleet operational, often resorting to cannibalizing parts from grounded aircraft. Despite their efforts, the F-14s are no match for the modern threats they face. Enter the Su-35, a fourth-generation plus fighter that embodies the latest in Russian aviation technology. Equipped with the Urbasi radar, thrust-vectoring engines, and advanced electronic warfare systems, the Su-35 is a formidable platform capable of dominating air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The Su-35's edge lies in its versatility and cutting-edge systems. While the F-14 was designed for fleet defense, the Su-35 is a multi-role fighter. It can engage multiple targets simultaneously, evade advanced air defenses, and deliver precision strikes. For Iran, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap into the future of air warfare. The Su-35's super maneuverability, thanks to its thrust-vectoring engines, allows it to perform maneuvers that would leave most pilots in awe. This capability isn't just for airshows, it provides a tactical advantage in dogfights, making it a nightmare for adversaries. But why is Russia supplying these advanced jets to Iran? The answer lies in geopolitics. Facing Western sanctions and isolation, both Russia and Iran are forging stronger ties. For Russia, this deal is both a financial win and a way to counterbalance U.S. influence in the region. For Iran, it's a chance to modernize its military and send a clear message to its adversaries. This development has raised eyebrows across the Middle East. Israel and Saudi Arabia, in particular, are concerned about the Su-35's potential to challenge their air superiority. With these jets in Iranian hands, the balance of power in the region could shift significantly. Russia's decision to supply Su-35s to Iran marks a turning point in Middle Eastern geopolitics. As these jets enter service, it will not only enhance Iran's military capabilities but also reshape alliances and strategies across the region. The skies over the Middle East are about to get a lot more crowded. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into global military developments.